Hey, Roger here again, and guess what? Yes, first of all, let me just start off by saying, big thanks to the persons who have recently subscribed to my channel. Yeah, really appreciate it, and I generally get excited when I see, more persons coming on board. Yes, and I hope you really appreciate the content that I push out. All right, let me just say that this video is going to be looking at, how you can connect your network cable to a Balun. Now, this now has to do with a CCTV camera system setup, specifically analog cameras. So analog cameras normally use BNC cables, but you do not necessarily have to use BNC cables for the with installation. You can use the network cable. So I'm going to show you how to do the connection. Bear in mind, let me mention this because I actually did the the other part of the video before I did the intro. So let me just say that when you are doing, if you choose to go with this setup, make sure that whatever color coding scheme you use at one end of the system, that you maintain the same color coding scheme at the other end. All right, if you don't, then you're going to run into problems. Okay, so that's it. Please remember, like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, and here we go. Let's jump right into the video. All right, let's just get right into this video here. Looking at how to connect a network cable to a Balun. Now, what I have here an analog camera, and this is for the video. That is for power. This is the Balun. So this is the video, and this is for power. All right, so I went ahead in the interest of time. I did, the necessary preparation for the cable. What I did was, I was not going to be doing this. I'm going to be using the solid blue for video. So for positive on the video rather, and I'm going to be using the blue stripe for the negative. So insert that into there. Then I have a screwdriver right here. These are actually secured by screws in the Balun. So get that inside there. Then next, so this now is the negative. Get that inside there also. Then secure that. But this one now, this Balun now, that's the video. Now for the power, what I did for the power is I doubled the wires. So I'm using orange and orange stripe and green stripe. I'm going to be using the orange and the orange stripe for the positive. So that is this one here. So that is positive, negative. All right, so insert that in there. Same procedure. And that. All right, there we go. And then for the other one, no, green stripe for the negative. Same procedure, tighten this. And of course, if we're going to be doing this, in terms of tools, you need to have a wire stripper, right? Wire cutter, wire stripper, of course, screwdriver. It's depending on the Balun, because there are some that has a little knob that you squeeze for you to be able to insert the cables. In the case of this one, it's actually screws, and they're quite small, so you need a very small screwdriver for this wire stripper, wire cutter. All right, so that is it. So I have the wires secured, and now the connection. So for the video, this one here, like that, and then for the power, so that will be it. All right, so it's as easy as that. So this is if you choose to go with using a network cable for the installation of your analog camera instead of using the BNC cable. All right, that's it. Remember, like, share, subscribe. See you again in the next video. Take care.